Hello and welcome to the 50th episode of Razmatas with Rashi. So we'll talk about a lot of things today, the journey so far, a few special moments, and at the end we'll announce the winners of season 2. So there'll be one winner from the authors and one from you. So if you are a subscriber and you have left a comment on any of the episodes of season 2, then you have a chance to win today. So stay tuned and watch till the end of this episode to know who are the winners. Let me begin with the very exciting news that I have to share with you all. This show is now among the top 100 finalists of Global Book Community Awards 2020. And now the contest is open for public voting. I've shared the voting link and the details in the description below that you have to check immediately after this episode. If you think that I should win this award and if you love this show, then please vote for me. The voting has already begun and it will end on 31st August. I'm really thankful to the people who have voted for me till now. Every vote is precious and with every single vote I'm getting a step closer to the award. If I win, I'll promise to come back here and share this award with all of you. Feels like just yesterday I came up with the first episode and today we are here celebrating the 50th one. I remember when I came up with my first book, I didn't find any video platform where I could go and speak about my book at length. There's a lot of hard work that goes behind writing a book. So an author should definitely get a platform through which they can reach out to a wide audience. So I thought of creating a platform where I could invite the authors and introduce a new book in every episode. Luckily, Blockchatter was having their ebook carnival at that time. And I'm really thankful to the entire team that they helped me connect with their authors. And that's how it all began. I remember out of all the episodes, there are just 4 where I could meet them personally and take their interviews. And trust me, those were the hilarious ones behind the scenes. Even online, so many things keep happening, like sometimes I receive the video file but there's no audio. Sometimes I receive some other video file and not the interview video. So there's a lot of things that goes behind creating a perfect episode. So let's have a look at all the wonderful episodes we had till now. It was indeed a pleasure having all of you on my show. Now let's move on to the awards. Season 2 has been a really exciting one with such wonderful books and lovely authors on the show. The winner with the maximum number of likes and views and comments is Jyoti Jha. And now the winner from the audience. I'm really thankful to all of you who watched the episodes and left a comment below. So one of the lucky draw winners from the audience is Chinmay Gayatri Sahu. Congratulations to both of you, and you'll receive your gifts soon. I wish to come up with many more such episodes, and a big thanks to all of you who made this 50th episode possible. Now before I end, I request you all again to check the description below, click the link and vote for Razzmatazz with Raji.